Hi, it's Suzie Hall from the Cornerstone Collective. Today's topic is hotel design. What does it take to design, furnish, and build a new hotel? Hotel design is so much about storytelling. Remember when you were a kid and you just loved being read that bedtime story and your mind just went elsewhere and you really delved into that experience? Well, hotel design is a lot of the same thing. When we start a new build project, we spend time with the owner, the developer, the brand, if a brand is involved, the locale, it might be the city, it might be the county, and we really learn the story, the context of that location. And this is more of the 30,000 foot view when we think about designing a hotel, because it really is a 6 to 12 month long process. But there's a lot that goes into it. And when you experience that property that you just resonate with and you don't want to leave, you can kick your heels up, you want to bring your family there, you want to bring your significant other there, you just want to immerse yourself. Those details, the design, the materials, the lighting especially, we're the ones that are designing all of that and putting it together and curating that experience for you. So as this series goes along, we're going to continue to talk about that and share with you the specifics and answer your questions about why and where and when we unfold that story and mesh it together to create that experience. I'll tell you a really important aspect of an amazing experience, an amazing hotel resort, is having that storyboard developed well up front. So if you ever walked into that hotel bar and been drawn in because it seemed sexy, seductive, alluring, I can guarantee you that most of it's the lighting. And lighting makes or breaks a space. And we spend a lot of time talking about lighting, designing lighting, curating lighting, and we'll dive into the details more as we go along in this series. But I encourage you to think about those experiences. Love to hear what some of your favorite places, some of your favorite destinations are. Please put those in the comments here and we'll circle back to those with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, collectively, we're stronger.